Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain worksheet, max worksheet. And also I am giving revision also. Today only I am giving revision. So take max worksheet and also a new note. If you have new note, take new note. And is not there, take rough note, children, for the max revision. See, FA1 will be announced on 12th. So be prepared. What do you want to prepare? Classwork, max classwork, worksheet and revision. Now I am giving revision now, children. See properly, listen properly and write neatly. Sharpen your pencil and write neatly. Take worksheet also, children. Through PDF I gave no children worksheet. That worksheet take out. Take new note for revision. Subject max. See, when you are writing revision now, sharpen your pencil, write neatly first main, write the number names. Same means only I am giving revision on this, children. Already I gave worksheet now. That same means only I am giving revision. Write the number names. First one, 97. Second one, 54. Third one, 65. Fourth one, 43. Fifth one, 11. First you read the heading, write the number names. Write the number names means already the given numbers, you want to write the number names. Number 97, here what you will write for 90, N-I-N-T-Y, 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Leave one line and write neatly. For this one, first one, leave one line and write neatly. 54, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, F-O-U-R, 4, 54, 65, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, F-I-V-E, 65, 43, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-H-R-E-E, 43, 11 spelling, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Leave one line and write neatly without spelling mistakes. So many are writing now for 90, N-I-N-T-Y, that is mean not correct, children. You want to write 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, S-E-V-N, 7. See, this side 7 is a single digit, you write 7, don't write 70, 97. For 10, so many are writing 97, don't write like that. You want to write, if 10's place is 9 is in 10's place, you want to write 90. Second main, write the number before, after, and in between numbers. You want to write between numbers also, before numbers also, and after numbers also. See, first one, 59. After 59, what will come, children? 60. If dash is in right side, you will write after number. If dash is in left side, you want to write before number. Second one, dash 92. Here what will come? Before 92, what will come? 91. Third one, 74, 76. After 74, 75. Before 76 also, 75. This is the between number. Fourth one, 63. After 63, 64. Fifth one, before 40, 39. Before 14, see, before 16, what will come? 15. After 14 also, 15. So 15 is the between number. Understood, children? Before, after, and between. Now, third main. Finish it neatly. I'll give 2 minutes to write. Write neatly, children, for revision. This is revision, maths revision for FA1. Third main, ascending order and descending order. Third main, ascending and descending order. Ascending order means you want to write small to big. Descending order means you want to write big to small. First one, 62, 85, 58, 26. For this number, you want to do first ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So, see the tens place, children. See the ones place also first 6, 8, 5, 2. So, first after that you will see 2, 5, 8, 6. First you see the 6, 8, 5, 2. In tens number, in tens, 6 is there, here 8 is there, in tens place, 5 is there, 2 is there. So which one small number here? This is number 26 is the small number. After that, leave 26. In this 3 number, you want to check which one small number? 58. This also over. In this now 2 numbers, 62 is the small number. After that, 85. Understood, children? Ascending order means small to big. Now descending order. For this number, you want to write descending order. See, big one is 85, 62, 58, 26. This is descending order. See the tens number, which one bigger here? 8 is the big number, so write 85. After this, in this 3, which big one is 62. After that, 26 or 58. Which one bigger? 58. After that, 26. Second one, $72, $84, $93, $61. First, we will do ascending order. After that, descending order. Now, see the numbers, children. Which one small here? 7, 8 in tens place 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there, 6 is there. Which one small number here? 61. First, you will write 61. After, in these 3 numbers, 7 is the small. 72, 84. After that, 93. Descending order, see easy, children. First, you write 93, 84, 72, 61. Big to small. Now, third one, 16, 18, 20, 25. Ascending order and descending order. See, in tens place, here also 1, here also 1, here also 2, here also 2. See, 1, 1, 2, 2. So what you will do? You will go to ones place. Here 6 is there, 8 is there. 6 is small or 8 is small? 6. So first you will write 16. After that you will write 18. See here 2, 2. 0 is here, 5 is there. In this 0 is small number or 5 is small number? 0. So you will write 20. After that, 25. Big to small, if both the numbers in tens place, both the numbers are same, then you will go to ones place. Check ones place. If small number 6 is there, means you want to write first 6. After 16, to write 18, 20, 25. For descending order, what you will do? 25 first, 20, 18, 16. Easy only, children. Please do it properly. Write neatly. Leave one line and write neatly. I'll give 2 minutes for this. After we'll go to addition. The fourth main, addition. Fourth main, addition. First one, tens, ones. 2, 4, 5. Second one, listen children here, addition. Addition means you want to see, put the plus sign. If plus is there, you want to do add, addition. See here, now 2 digits are there, down 1 single digits is there. In 2 digits, in 1 digit you want to add 4 plus 5. 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See. Here 2 is there, down, no number. So as it is, you have to write here 2. So sum is 29. Here up also 2 numbers, down also 2 numbers. First, which one you want to add? This ones column you want to add first. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. We finished ones column. Then we will go to tens column. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. 6 in the mind. See here, up also 2 numbers, down also 2 numbers. So 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See children, 14. You can't write 14 here. So in these 2 numbers, you will take one's number down, 4. This 1 number will carry to tens column. Understood children? If 2 digits is there, don't write here 2 as it is, don't write. You want to write one's number first here, tens number you want to carry to tens column. Now you want to add these 2 numbers first. 1 plus 5. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, if we had these 2, we will get 6. After 6 in the mind, 2 in after this, you want to add these 2 numbers, 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 7, 8. Understood children? 6 plus 8 will get 14. two-digit number. 14 is two-digit number. You can't write same as it is. So 4 you write in that ones column. 1 you carry to tens column. 1 plus 5 you will get 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Here 3 digits are there. Up to 13, 4, 46, 15. You want to add these both first. 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 will come. 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 9 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Shall I write 14 here, children? No, that's why it's not correct, no. So 4 you will write, 1 you will carry to tens column. Now 1 plus 1 will get 2. After this 2 plus 4, 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Understood, children? If 3 digits also you can do easily, 2 digits also you can do it easily, children. So first we want to add these 2, we will get 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 you don't write 14 as it is. 1 to 4 you write here. 1 you carry to tens column. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Finish it neatly, children. We'll go to 5th May. Addition, 5th May. Addition over no. Now writing words. First one, 635. See, in revision first main, I gave two digit number names now, children. 5th main, rate in words, 3 digits. You want to write the number names for that. 801. Third one, 436. Fourth one, 121. See, 5 is in ones column, 3 is in tens column, 6 is in hundreds column. So what you will write here? 600. SIX 600. HUNDRED. 600 and tens column, what is there? 3. 3 will 30. THI. 30. THIRTY. 35. FIVE 35. Like that you want to write. First you write here ones, tens, hundreds. Now see what hundreds number? 800. First you want to write 800. EIGHT. 8. HUNDRED. 800. In tens column 0 is there, so directly you want to write and 1. ONE 1. 801. 436. 400. FOUR 4. 100 spelling. What is the 100 spelling, children? HUNDRED. 436. 30 spelling THIRTY. 30. SIX 6. Now here hundreds, tens, 1. 100. ONE 1. HUNDRED. 121. Without spelling mistakes, you want to write, leave one finger space and write neatly. Now, sixth main. Write the numbers in expanded form. Write the numbers in expanded form. Expand means you want to write numbers is in short method. Now, 352 will write, want to write long method. Long method means you want to expand the numbers. First one is 352 in first box, 100 plus dash tens plus dash ones. See, for these three numbers, you want to write which one is in hundreds place. 3 is in hundreds place. 5 is in tens place. 2 is in ones place. Now 300, you have to write in the number 300. Here 5 tens means 5 becomes 50. Here 2. So 352. This is the expanded form, children. Expanded form. Write neatly, leave on one line and write neatly, children. Second one, 832. 100 plus see which one is in 800 space? 8. 33 tens means 2 ones. So 800 plus 30 plus 2. Third one, 250. 250 plus 250. 0. In numbers, how we will write? 200 means 21200 plus 5 tens 5050 plus 0. We'll write like this, no children. Write neatly. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mains is there, children. Next class I will give. Now I will give homework. Open your textbook, page number 111. Maths homework. Complete page number 111, that is 601 to 700. Next class, I will give 5 mains children revision. So thank you children.